What's going on YouTube? Hit it back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. I'm trying to get these lights that are going on me from my window off me. I think I can get it here. But what we're going to be looking at in today's video, like I said, is going to be a lot of these major cryptocurrencies that over the past couple of days have actually seen some reversal rallies back to the upside, which is quite exciting if you ask me. Most of these cryptos are in a continuation breakout here, which we've been tracking for quite a few days. Over the past few days, you can clearly see in regards to our videos that we've made, we've pretty much seen the breakout. We were tracking the bull flag formations here, the ascending triangles, which continued to break out. And then we said that the rally is completely far from over. It's nowhere near complete. And you can see it in these previous videos about 3 days ago, 2 to 3 days ago. The rally is far from over. Mega price rebound, so on and so forth here. And then clear as day, you can see that is exactly what has happened. So we had a small reversal downwards, but here we are pumping higher than the previous movement that we were at. This is just XRP. Looking at Ethereum, we had another bull trap formation here, and then we said, nope, rally is far from over, guys, and here we are exploding to the upside here, and it continues, so much so with a lot of these cryptocurrencies. Beautiful breakout within Bitcoin here, heading up even higher, quite exciting, and the S&P 500 has continued its bullish rally. You can see after breaking out of the bull flag, a continuation pattern is taking place, so I'm very, very, very excited and happy to see a lot of these major cryptocurrencies seeing these big movements here and helping continue and push prices to the upside here, as I do believe that we are now out of what was a bear market and into what could be more of a continuation consolidation pattern here. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So as you can see on the previous videos that we've made on the channel, the past couple of days, we've been tracking some very peculiar movements here. You can clearly see about a week ago, we had a beautiful bull flag formation that we were tracking, as well as an ascending triangle that we were tracking with the prominent possibility of breaking to the upside, because textbook-wise, that's usually what happens. You can see that's exactly what happened here a couple of days ago. The beautiful, we didn't actually see that breakout yet, but we pretty much predicted that the run would happen to the upside here. Then we move forward again, and you can clearly see, let me just draw that. We have the beautiful continuation yet again on the, why does it keep doing that? The beautiful continuation on the, a couple of days ago on the bull flag right here, and then we're getting closer and closer to breaking through resistance. Continuing further, we notice that there's some sort of uptrend here, so we have some sort of symmetrical triangle forming inside the bull flag. Then we finally get a pop. We managed to break above the major ascending triangle here and explode to the upside. Then we saw it again for the second time, continuing. Even though prices were starting to dip a little bit lower here, we continue to soar to the upside here, and we said the rally is far from over. I said right on time with our prediction here. Everything is lining up beautifully to how we were tracking it, and you can clearly see the continuation happened, and we continued to pump even higher and higher and higher. So I'm excited to see that finally we're starting to see movement to the upside here after a very long time of seeing this consolidation within most of these major cryptos. Now you can see on the current coin market cap, we're continuing to see that movement here. Yes, today we're seeing more consolidation, not really seeing much movement at all, only down 0.03%. So we're more so consolidating, but the run did indeed happen. You can see the movement on Ethereum here, the rally on Bitcoin, much slower because Bitcoin's seen most of the pump prior to a lot of these other cryptocurrencies, but BNB, beautiful run to the upside here. XRP, beautiful run. Cardano, beautiful run. Doge, Matic, Solana, everything is swinging to the upside here. Now things are starting to get a little bit more complicated than we've talked about in the past, because things are nearing overbought, and that's when we need to start making our stop losses tight in the event that we start to correct lower or break through these supports. Now, XRP doesn't look all that bad. We saw a major reversal a couple of days ago, or maybe 2 days ago, I believe, where we managed to explode up. We retested 54 cents, but we've consolidated all the way back down to about 52 here. I don't see any sort of movement that I can draw just yet that would confirm what exactly we're doing here. Maybe some sort of, ascending triangle. I'm not getting a good look at it just yet. I'll leave this here just for, the time being, although I don't know how accurate it is right now. But there is some sort of consolidation pattern that we are doing, creating higher lows and maybe even the same high. I'm not entirely sure, but we keep rebounding off this. You can see if we zoom in even closer, maybe to the hourly chart, you can clearly tell there's some sort of symmetrical triangle forming here. Beautifully beautifully drawn just like that. And you can see that we are filling in this gap, and we pretty much end very soon. Granted, there's only 1-2 points of contact here, so it could be a lot longer, but ideally, again, trading on the hourly charts here, not a good idea, but we are still seeing more consolidation and more movements happening here, which could enlist another run, to the upside here. We are still waiting patiently. There's more room. The possible breakout on XRP is more prominent than a lot of these other cryptocurrencies because XRP has been fairly independent from the other cryptos in regards to how it's been moving here. So when we see Bitcoin and Ethereum pump, we don't see that same thing happen to XRP. XRP is slightly delayed and slightly behind. I think the biggest way to show you that is when you look at the weekly charts here, and you can see that we're nowhere near trading inside the moving average on the weekly charts. But if you were to look at like Ethereum here and you jump to Ethereum's weekly, you can see we're actually retesting the top resistance here on its weekly moving average. And when you go to Bitcoin and you jump to Bitcoin's weekly, you can see we're retesting right in the middle of its moving average. XRP is nowhere near that yet. So there's a big possibility this could continue on XRP to the upside long after, Ethereum and potentially Bitcoin kind of reverse back to the downside here. So I am excited. Obviously, the trades that we've been making on XRP in regards to the bull flag breakout here, we know you can see on the 4-hour here that we've had a beautiful kind of bull flag formation we were tracking for quite some time. The beautiful pole itself, the flag itself, and then the continuation upwards. The second we confirmed closure outside of this, we were able to make a trade on Bidfy, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. We can buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits, everything you can possibly think of. We've been able to do on Bidfy, especially with the Ethereum trade, which was an easy call, if you ask me, a very easy call. The second we got confirmation above here, we had a bull trap. We did get stopped out here, but then we reversed back above it. So we closed right on the 10th of April here, just a few days ago. Once we confirmed closure above here, we bought back in with the off chance that we would continue to pump because we said we're not going to risk losing out on a trade like this. So we did buy in, and then you can see that's paid off the second time here. So we were able to do those trades on Bidfy. They do offer Bitcoin. They do offer Ethereum, you can see. They offer XRP, which not many exchanges at all typically offer, which is very, very, very good news. Everything is integrated on here. You have the trading view charts, which is exciting. I don't think that's the movement that we need to be looking at. It's more so some sort of uptrend. You can definitely tell there's some sort of peculiar consolidative movement here. I don't know exactly what it is. We do have some sort of resistance here. It's definitely a tough movement, but you can see it's some sort of fractal or technical indicator that is forming on these cryptos, but it's an easy website to use and an easy exchange to use it on. The best part too is not only can you do all the leveraging and shorting and long and doing all your market orders, taking profits and stop losses, but they offer a demo account. So if you're not yet comfortable trading with real crypto, they offer a demo account, a simulator, which gives you 100 grand in Monopoly money to test your skills, and literally nothing changes on the website when you switch to demo or the live account. So it can get you really familiar with the website and the features and the way this website works prior to actually using or risking anything. So make sure to check out Bidfy. Link is down in the description below. The best part is if you do decide to sign up with the link down in the description, which is completely free, they are offering a sign-up bonus of up to $2,888. So sign up with the link down in the description free, and then click on Welcome Rewards once you sign up to earn up to $2,888. Very cool, very easy, very simple. Make sure to check out Bidfy. But moving forward away from XRP, looking at these other cryptos like Ethereum and Bitcoin and the S&P 500 here. With Ethereum specifically, you can see we are starting to swing to the upside here. We have the beautiful bull flag formation, and we discussed that once we can confirm closure above this bull flag, that would be the opportunity to buy in because, bull flag formations are bullish bias to the upside here. We waited patiently. We broke. We confirmed. Once we closed the day above the bull flag, that's when we bought in. We were making a profit, but then we hit our stop loss and got stopped out. And we said, okay, yeah, we're going to take, we're not going to risk losing more in case we dump all the way to the moving average. But when we do, and if we do head back to the upside, we will be buying back in. Well, the next day we confirmed closure right above, confirmed we were able to buy back in because we closed at 1900 yet again above the major resistance here. And then we had a few more days of consolidation, and then we saw this massive pump, which has made us a ton of profit here. I'm so excited. You can see the beautiful ascending triangle broke us up, but more so besides that, It was this bull flag that allowed me to buy in and leverage to the upside here. That was the confirmation. That was the indicator that we were using to leverage Ethereum. Now for Bitcoin, things are getting a little bit peculiar too. You can see we also have an ascending triangle here, but more so why things are becoming a little odd, granted we're nearing overbought, and why I think we're probably peaking at the top is because of the weekly charts. I believe you should probably, or I'm going to be taking profits or making my stop loss very tight here, because on the weekly charts, we're hitting a major resistance. And I don't think in any sense we're going to be breaking through this anytime soon. I think we're going to reject off it and fall. But that's why we have the stop loss. In case we reverse up, we'll move the stop loss up a little bit higher. But we're nearing overbought. We're about to be overbought on the weekly charts, and we're hitting major resistance for the first time in a very long time. So that's why we're buying, that's why we're creating a stop loss just in case. You can also see the double bottom here that has allowed us to move up higher, which is exciting too. But more so, what we were using is once we broke through this descending fractal here, that was the opportunity to buy in. But it is nice to see that there was also a double bottom that's allowing us to shoot higher here. And I do believe we are going to be moving higher. It's just not going to be right this very second. So that's pretty much it though for today's video. That's Ethereum hitting its resistance. Definitely, lock in your profits because we are kind of peaking right now. Same thing with Bitcoin. Retesting overbought as I speak here. You can see we're at the peak. We can extend this ever so slightly further. And I don't think we have much more room to head higher. So just consider that. And the S&P is hitting its resistance here. So we're going to see some turbulence there. And then hopefully we head up higher. Now, even then, you can see the way these higher lows have been moving here. Even if we do hit this, even if we start to fall, I think it's going to be something like that as we continue to head up. You can see the higher low here, and here, and here. And if we come back down again and we hit a previous low, if we hit a new low, which is here, we can even pump higher, which is very exciting if you ask me. But finally, things are looking prominent and good for a lot of these cryptos and the S&P. So we just have to stick around and wait it all out. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.